iFILM. London. iFILM.
Where are you training now?
I've been training at Brazil. I was always BC.
Yeah, just jab. See what we got. Bomb. See? Relax. Bring the jab out. Bomb. Good. Straight. Bomb. See? Relax. Just in. Bomb. That's better. Bomb. From your chin up. Hey. Bomb. See? No, relax. Bomb. That's it. Now watch the more right goes like that. So you go. Just relax.
Let's just tell the people where we are actually, first of all.
Where are we?
We're in the Sparta gym. With me, I've got Dominic Negus, one of Britain's naughtiest, deadliest men.
I'm a changed man now.
So I thought, who else to teach me, better to teach me a little bit of stuff than Dominic Negus, one of the deadliest men in Britain, so called. So yeah, we're here, Sparta. Just learn a little bit of Dom and see how we get on.
Yeah, we're going to see what he's got and see how he's going to pan out on the night. So whatever way should be exciting either way. He's either going to win or end up on his arse. So we'll go. This is jab. All right, that's it. Elbows in. Good. Straight. That's it. 1, 2. That's it. Don't lean. Just shoulders. That's better. Straight away. Just drive it through. Don't hit me. Punch through it. 1, 2. Good shot. Up. Uppercut, bomb, straight, and all three. Uppercut, bomb, this is something like bomb. With that last shot, drive that last shot through. 3, bomb, jab, 1, 2, straight, 4, bomb, 3 again, bomb, always up in your chin, jab, bomb, around. Sit, kick that, when you move again, kick that left hand. Sit, jab, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3.
That's it, Dom.
You punch a bit, but that's alright, it's good, a bit stiff, but now it comes, still got a few weight training, so yeah, but it's alright, it's good. Quite surprised actually. I thought you were a bit of a puff before. No, it's nice. Cheese and biscuits. No, it's bomb. That's it. 1, 2. Bomb. Jab. Bomb. Stick it in. Bomb. Stab it in. Bomb. Sort of, if you've ever done it before. Bomb. That's it. Turn it. Drive it through. Down. Bomb. 1, 2. Bomb. Up over hook. Bomb. Good. 1, 2. See, have a pint.
Yeah.
But alright. It's brilliant, it's good. Quite surprised.
Yeah.
No, mate, yeah. How's your road work going? Still running off the ice cream van, isn't it?
Still running, yeah. Trying.
Only time you see me run is after the hot dog van goes past. I don't like that, I'll get a cab now. So. That's brilliant. No, I'm really surprised to be honest with you. All good though. All good. We'd be there though, we'd be shouting to the other bloke. Shut up, yeah, right, yo. Leave it out, don't get flash. Go then. That's nice and relaxed. 1, 2. Good. No, just relax. You'll show it. Just relax, boom, straight back. There we go. 1, 2, relax. 3. Up. Bomb, no, up. Bomb, straight. That's it. Bomb. 1, 2. Bomb, jab, bomb, try and look at the sun, bomb, with that, pull the shoulder back, and go that way, and then repeat. So look, if I was this way, I was in cartoon, boom, look.
I'm kind of leaving.
That's it, just short hook, just find it sun, that's it, pull it right round, bomb, that's it, put it straight on top now, bomb, that's it, somebody going, bomb, 1, bomb, jab, bomb, from your chin, back to your chin, 1, 2, bomb, up over hook. Bomb, 1, 2, bomb. Don't get too much away.
No, that's right. Got to take my time, you know what I mean?
Get the ironing board out. You know what I mean? So what else do you want to know?
Pretty much, I want to know how you generate so much power in that right hand.
Everything's all from the feet. My feet, they all teach you that, you know, as you start. It's all about foundations.
Right.
It's like your house. If your foundations are built on your house is built on shit foundations, your house falls down. It's like the same. You have to set your feet. bend your knees, and it all comes from your feet, see? Starts from your foot. As you start here, it comes up here. It's like a bit like a snake move. You go drive it through and put it back. Oh, straight back. It's all your twisted your shoulder. A lot of people think big punch got big biceps, it's all that triceps back, and their feet are set. And they basically, don't hit the target, punch through the target. Punch through the target. And then once your feet are set, then the second shot, you know, that's why you do combinations. If you miss the first shot, as long as it's set, the second shot's going to come with it. And then the third shot, and then the fourth shot. It's about your feet, again, your feet, you know, it's about how your feet are set. And that's what it is, basically.
Okay.
What do I know?
Well, you know a lot more than me, so that's a start.
Listen, 10 out of 10, I'll give you, you know, you're getting in there. I'll take me after anybody that gets in that ring, white collar, amateur, pros, unlicensed, whatever it is. It takes a lot of us to do it, and you're doing it. Just don't mug us all off, alright? Brilliant, good ball.
This is James Helder with Britain's third deadliest men.
Leave it I'm retired. Hello, Mum. Brilliant. Brilliant, mate. Go on. No, good, mate.
HELDER.